There is a brief yet crucial moment when one realizes that the future cannot be waited for. It must be created. And from that moment on, nothing is ever the same. This is what goes through my mind when I think about where we started. It all began in this valley, where I worked the land with my father. In the 1980s, I traveled the world and realized that there was a missing link at manufacturing plants connecting the logistics between raw materials, production, warehouses, and shipping. In the early 1990s, it was thought to be impossible to achieve what 25 years later would be referred to as Industry 4.0. But we didn't know that, and we did it. Passion, sacrifice, and commitment. These are the values that have guided our innovation. They have enabled us to grow, persevere, and improve. They've accompanied us to the point where we're now recognized as a leading worldwide developer of automated intralogistic solutions, flexible solutions that guarantee extremely high performance levels. Today, we have developed a wide range of modularized products, and likewise, we've rethought our software, through which our development team has created Smile 80, a unified and truly configurable platform capable of bringing to life and completing our vast assortment of tailor-made solutions with an extraordinary degree of traceability and scalability. And all of this allows us to guarantee continuous service improvement worldwide, offering excellent reliability and customization. Looking ahead, we embrace a generational transition at 360 degrees with families, children, and new generations that fully represent the future of our business. We face this great challenge with the humility to listen and wisdom to share, aware that in a world where everything is rapidly changing, we must preserve our values with care. My father always told me that in life, you don't only reap what you sow, but also what you take care of. As I look forward to the future and reminisce about the past, I see no boundaries, just infinite horizons.